2, 1, and action.
Okay guys, here we go. We're showing you how your money piles up. You ready? All right, we're talking about now how to become a Sapphire. How to become a Sapphire, and I'm also going to be talking about using the calendar. This is how to become a Sapphire, and a calendar training all combined in one, okay? Becoming a Sapphire. What does a Sapphire mean? Guys, you should know what that means by now. I know that you're new, but obviously I'm sure everybody's been talking to you about Sapphire. It is the first executive rank in our company. It is, you gotta become a Sapphire. We want you to do it right away. That's where literally you start making anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 that month when you become a Sapphire. You get a nice eagle. Okay? You also win a free vacation, 8 days, 7 nights. You also win a iPod Shuffle with personal development loaded on it. You also get a medal because you skipped over Go-Getter, which is platinum. And then you also qualify for a brand new Mercedes-Benz. That's why you want to become a Sapphire. Once again, you get all of that stuff I just said, plus the Mercedes-Benz and the money. Okay? Becoming a Sapphire is everything. It's very simple to do if you're willing to follow the instructions. Okay? To become a Sapphire, number one, you've got to sponsor between 10 to 12 people. That's you. We're going to help you. We want to help you sign up 10 to 12 people. Some of them will get the gold pack. Some of them will get the silver package. Some of them will get the bronze pack. But you personally have to recruit 10 to 12 people. If you haven't signed up 10 to 12 people, don't even consider becoming a Sapphire. Okay? You want to do it right. Doing it right states signing up 10 to 12 people. Okay? Now, out of those 12 people that you signed up, here's what I want to let you know, what you can expect. 4 of those people will quit the business. Another 4 of those people will probably go a little slow. And another 4 of those people will say, hey, I want to build this thing big. Let's go to work. And so what you want to do is you want to concentrate all of your efforts on helping the 4 people that want to go to work. Now remember, don't worry, your upline is going to help you with all of this. So don't have to worry, you don't have to remember this. Your upline, trust me, they have one assignment, break Sapphires. Okay? But I'm just explaining to you how to go Sapphire. Sponsor 10 to 12 people, focus on helping 4 of them become platinum, and you're a Sapphire. Okay? We'll talk about what platinum means and all that stuff later. Okay? Now, let me give you the mechanical steps that's got to happen so that you can sponsor these 10 to 12 people. To become a Sapphire, you have to be willing to show the plan. That means do a presentation 4 times a week. To become a Sapphire, you have to be willing to show the plan 4 times a week. That's the reason why we told you to purchase your Organo Gold calendar, because it has special things relative to Organo Gold inside your calendar. Alright? I've kind of drawn up here on the board basically what it looks like inside of your Organo Gold calendar. Okay? Now, alright, what you're going to do here is this. What you're going to do on your calendar is you're going to circle 4 days that fit well within your schedule for you to host a presentation. The presentation can be at your home or your apartment, or it can be at someone else's place. But you have to be willing to have a meeting. Where do you think the people are going to come? How are they going to get in? So you got to be willing to show the plan 4 times a week. So what you want to do is you want to, in writing, you want to take out your calendar right now, and you want to circle 4 days that work best for you. So for example, this is what it looks like. Let's say if I was willing to do it on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You're going to put a circle, just like you notice what I did there. You're going to put a circle in the lower right-hand corner of the actual square or date that you're willing to show the plan. Now, I realize that you may not know the date, or you may not know the location of where you're going to show the plan at. It doesn't matter. What you want to do is make mental preparation on paper for which day and time that you're going to show the plan, okay? And you're going to do this for the whole month. 4 times per week you have to show the plan if you're trying to become a Sapphire. Okay, so let's just say that these are the dates that work best for me. Okay? Okay? Now, what you're going to do is your goal every time you show the plan, every time there's a presentation, your goal is to be in front of 5 people, 5 or more. Okay? If there's less than 5, should you still do it? Yes, you should. But your goal is 5, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to, above the circle, you're going to go ahead and write, next to the circle, you're going to write how many people showed up at the meeting. So let's say on Monday night, I only had 3 people. The number 3 is going to go there. Let's say on Wednesday night, there were 7 people. Let's say on Thursday, there were 10. And let's say on Saturday, nobody showed up. Okay? You're going to write the number of people that showed up to the left of the circle in the square, just like I've demonstrated. Now, inside the circle, you're going to write how much volume did you get from the meeting that night. Inside the circle, what do I mean when I say volume? What I'm saying is this. A bronze pack for $1.99. And we're going to keep things very simple today. So this is not a complex training, so we're going to keep it very simple. A bronze pack for $1.99 is simply worth, I believe it's what, 200 points? Yeah, it's worth 200 points. Or 200, let me give you the proper verbiage here, sorry. It's worth 200 QV, which means qualified volume. A silver pack is worth 500 QV. And a gold pack is worth 1,300 QV. What you want to do to become a Sapphire is you want to average 1,000 points every time that you show the plan. That is your goal. So in other words, if you got 5 people to join at the bronze pack that night, 1,000 points. 2 silvers or 1 gold, you're well over 1,000. And so inside the circle here, you're going to put how many points you got that night. So let's say there were 3 people there that night, and all I got that night was 1 silver pack. So I'm going to write 500 goes there. And let's say on Wednesday night, let's say I didn't get 0. I had 7 people there, but nobody joined that night. And let's say on Thursday night, I averaged, instead of averaging 1,000, I averaged 2,000. 2,000 points on Thursday. And let's just say on Saturday, I averaged 1,000 points that night. Okay? And so as you can see here, you got 500, 2,000, and 1,000. Your goal every